Sometimes your exponent can also be a fraction, and we call those rational exponents. Now, when we are writing rational exponents, you might have a base to that fraction as an exponent, or you can also rewrite it as a specific root. Now, what that looks like here, if we have some base b to an exponent, and that exponent is a number over a number, some fraction, whatever number is on top, whatever the numerator of that fraction is, that's going to stay as an exponent with your base. Whatever your denominator is, that's going to be what root you have. So you might have seen before we have like the square root of 4. If it doesn't have a number out here, it's like there's an imaginary 2. You might have also seen the cubed root of 8. That's a cubed root. We might see the fourth root of 64. So all of these are our roots. Now again, your denominator from your fraction, that's going to be what root you have. Now let's look at some examples with rational exponents. We're going to be rewriting these into something to a fractional power. So our power with this x, it doesn't show it, but there's an imaginary 1 there. So when we rewrite this, our numerator is going to be 1, and our denominator is whatever number is in front of our radical, whatever is in the little v section of our root. So on the bottom we have a 5. So we have x to the power of 1 over 5. We're just rewriting, we're not solving. So again, this 9 doesn't have an exponent with it, so we're going to put that imaginary 1. So now we can rewrite this as 9 to the power of 1 over our root is 3. This one, we've got the exponent outside of our parentheses. We can do this two ways. We can either go straight into saying y to the 1 over 9 to the power of negative 2 and then multiply that negative 2. So that gives us y to the negative 2 over 9, which is then 1 over y to the 2 over 9. Or you can go right ahead and go from the original to this step. If you want to do it this way, that just gives you one extra step to write, but if that helps you see it better, do that. If you can see it as this is also going to be our numerator, go ahead and put that in your numerator, and then your root becomes your denominator, and since it's negative, we had to simplify it. Same idea in number 4. We can just go straight into saying 2 to the 5 over 4, because we have this imaginary 1 here, 5 times 1 is 5, and then our denominator is 4. If we had some other number here, like a 2, then we would have to do 5 times 2 divided by 4 and simplify that as our fraction.